If you are tired of seeing a black console while learning programming, we can develop a desktop application. In this playlist, we will develop desktop applications in Python using the Qt library. Let's complete the installation processes in the first video. In this tutorial, I will use PyCharm as the integrated development environment. It's okay if you continue in a different development environment. Let's start the download process from the terminal section. In this way, the first installation process took place. We need an app to design in an easier way. This is how we can install this application. We have successfully completed the installation. Copy this address. With this address, you can reach the design application. Thanks to this application, we will design a desktop application very quickly. Instead of downloading the design program in this way, you can easily download it from this site. I will give all the links in the description of the video. You can easily download all the applications from those links. I briefly show the download processes. Let's import the downloaded Qt library into our file. If there is no error when we run the program, the installation was successful. In the next videos of the playlist, we will be developing desktop applications in Python using the Qt library. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos.